welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. So my daughter has been really into princesses lately, so for today's drawing, I'm gonna be doing one of the Disney princesses, and that is Rapunzel. Now Rapunzel has these really long locks of hair, so that is going to be something I'm looking forward to drawing. So I'm going to start with doing Rapunzel's head first. So that's her forehead, and then I'll do another round part here for her chin. Here are her eyes. They're almost like a circle, but they have a little bit of a tail at the end. And I draw a smaller circle inside to represent kind of like the glistening in the eye, and we'll leave that white. Here is her locks of hair that's going to come down on the side. Here's her nose that I've just done as a dot. If you want, you can do a larger nose for her. Here's one circle for one of her puffy sleeves, and then another smaller circle, or at least half a circle, on the other half of her puffy sleeve. Because I do remember having these really pink and purple puffy sleeves that she has. Here is Rapunzel's arms. So she's going to have them on top of her lap. If you want, you can have Rapunzel's arms up in the air, holding a sign saying happy birthday if you're planning on doing a Rapunzel birthday card for your friend. But here I'm going to do some flowers on her hair, starting with a circle on the outside and then drawing each petal. Next, you can see I'm just going to continue with her hair. So you can see they're kind of like wavy lines. They're not straight line because I want it to show a little bit more volume. For the hair, I'm actually going to do it in sections as well. So here you can see I did one section, and then for Rapunzel, I'm not going to do her mouth just yet with my black Sharpie. I'm going to color her mouth in with a red or a pink marker later, because I want her lips to be kind of like pink or like red, have some kind of like color on it. Here's her puffy dress. I'm doing these mini semicircles that is kind of on the brim of her gown. Next, I'm going to do a strip or a pattern on her dress. If you like, you can draw different patterns on Rapunzel's dress as well, if you like stars or hearts or flowers. Here I'm going to do another wavy line for her hair. And then another kind of like lock of hair that's kind of bulging on the side, because you know that hair is not usually straight for her, it's usually like draping down. I'm also going to draw some flowers on her hair because I think it'll be so fun to color in like different color flowers on her hair. If you want to get creative here, you can think about different types of flowers that you can draw on Rapunzel's hair, whether it's roses, tulips, or daffodils. You can also use other mediums like tissue paper or other types of magazines and cutouts of flowers to put on her hair if you like as well. So from here, I'm going to use this kind of like peach tone to color in her skin. As I'm coloring her skin, you can see I am making sure I color within the lines and filling in all those white gaps that may be in between her hair or her chin. But of course, I'm going to color her eyes a different color, so I'm leaving that as is. I'm coloring in her hands as well. And then from here, I will probably work on her hair and also her gown. If you like, you can add other flowers in the background or birds. You can think about, what kind of story am I trying to tell here? What is Rapunzel getting ready for? Maybe she's going to a garden party, or she's outdoors. Maybe you can draw a tower in the back. So that will make your drawing a little bit more unique. So here I've given her green eyes. If you like, you can have blue eyes for your Rapunzel, or it can be dark brown eyes. So you can use your imagination, or even choose your favorite color to be the color of Rapunzel's eyes. I'm coloring in her hair with this yellow, kind of sunshiny yellow. I really like this pop of yellow color for her hair. And I'm doing it slowly, just making sure I color within the lines. Next, I'm going to start on Rapunzel's dress. I'm using this pink color to kind of do these narrow petals that are along her puffy sleeves. If you want, you can do hearts for her sleeve as well. But I remember for Rapunzel, she has a lot of like pinks and like lilacs for her dress. So that is what I will focus on. But if you like, you can do different colors and patterns for her dress as well. And of course, don't forget to color in those flowers in her hair. You can use different colors or rainbow colors if you would like for Rapunzel's flowers for her hair. So after I finish with the pink color, I'm now coloring in with my lilac and my purple colors for all those gaps in between. And of course, I won't forget to draw in her lips. She can have a smile on her lips, or maybe she can have a funny face. You can also use that pink color that you're using for her lips to color in a little bit of blush on her cheeks as well. So that is almost it. I hope you enjoy the step-by-step drawing of Rapunzel. If you have any other ideas for other drawings or princess you would like to see in the series, please let me know, and I look forward to seeing you in future step-by-step drawings with Sharon. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.